Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a quick fun video of me decorating the hearth room, and the accent color is green. I'll check back in with you later. Please enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. The infamous karate chop. So I decided to go with green because green is my favorite color, and I've used green in this space before. So I wanted to kind of use some items that I already had, and of course I've added a few new pieces, and I'll share those in the link. So these vases that I'm putting up now, they are new. I got them from Home Goods. They were pretty pricey. One was $60 and the other one was $50. So together they were $110. And I did get these florals from Hobby Lobby. I'll share those in the link as well. So I'm going to go ahead and continue decorating, and all of these items I've already had. So I'm just going to add these purple florals and some green flowers as well, because I already had that centerpiece and I just wanted to add a little bit more color to it. So that's what you see me doing now. So let's go ahead and continue decorating, and I will talk to you all closer to the end. YouTube Spring Screensaver.
Getting that from YouTube.
All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. This is pretty much it. All it took was some green accessories, florals, plants, and just a little bit of flair. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.